Artificial intelligence is no longer just a support tool. It's replacing high-paying roles, including 100K jobs. A US company recently swapped its entire marketing team for one AI platform, doubling profits. This is only the start. Think your job is secure? By the end of this video, you may reconsider. Tool number 9 is already handling senior management tasks. And tool number 1? Billion-dollar CEOs are using it discreetly. Ignore these trends, and you risk missing what's next. Picture this. You're heading to work, coffee in hand, following your usual routine. You arrive at your desk, but your system login fails. Moments later, your manager pulls you aside and delivers unexpected news. Your role has been automated. No prior warning, no opportunity for appeal. Just an AI tool that now performs your job faster, better, and without ever needing a break. This scenario may sound like science fiction, but in 2025, it's reality. By 2030, entire industries are projected to undergo profound restructuring as artificial intelligence reshapes the workforce. Companies prioritize efficiency, profit margins, and scalability over loyalty to employees. AI delivers unmatched advantages. It doesn't request raises, tire, or take sick days. You might think pivoting to a skill like coding offers security. Think again. AI is already writing sophisticated code with remarkable precision. The landscape is shifting rapidly, and no role is entirely immune. Let's examine the facts. Here are the 10 jobs most vulnerable to AI replacement by 2030. Some, especially number 3, may surprise you and challenge your assumptions about the future of work. Advanced AI chatbots, such as Intercom, ChatGPT, and Dialpad AI, are revolutionizing customer support by managing millions of tickets with remarkable efficiency. Equipped with sentiment analysis, natural language processing, and even simulated empathy, these systems deliver responses that feel human. For instance, a bot might say, "I understand how frustrating this must be," and customers often can't tell the difference. Unlike human representatives, these AI tools learn and improve at an exponential rate, continuously refining their ability to resolve issues. This shift is transforming the customer support landscape, raising questions about the future of traditional roles. To stay ahead, professionals should consider specializing in AI system management or acquiring skills to train large language models tailored for enterprise customer support. By aligning with these emerging technologies, you can position yourself as a vital asset in an AI-driven workforce. Once, data analysis was a lucrative domain reserved for tech-savvy professionals, commanding high salaries for specialized expertise. Today, that landscape is transforming. Advanced tools like AutoML, Tableau AI, and Microsoft Fabric are revolutionizing the field, converting raw data into sophisticated dashboards in mere seconds. Need a sales forecast? A single AI prompt delivers it instantly. Seeking insights into user behavior? The analysis is completed before you can finish your coffee. This rapid automation signals a shift in the industry, challenging traditional roles. To stay competitive, professionals should pivot to emerging fields like AI prompt engineering or data storytelling, skills that blend creativity and strategy, areas where AI has yet to fully dominate. By adapting now, you can carve out a vital role in this evolving technological frontier. Once a cornerstone of administrative work, tasks like calendar management, travel coordination, and inbox organization are now seamlessly handled by AI-powered virtual assistants such as Motion and xAI's innovative tools. Let's face it, many of us already rely on these systems to keep our schedules in check, freeing up time for higher priority responsibilities. As these technologies continue to evolve, they're redefining the role of support staff in workplaces worldwide. To stay ahead, professionals should consider transitioning to roles like high-level operations strategy, where critical thinking and decision-making remain in demand. Alternatively, mastering the design of AI-driven workflows for executives offers a path to create value in an increasingly automated landscape. By embracing these opportunities, you can position yourself at the forefront of this transformative era. Here's a tough truth. Artificial intelligence is now crafting ad copy that often surpasses the work of seasoned freelancers. Tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and ChatGPT are churning out compelling landing pages, blog posts, and even scripts with remarkable speed and precision. Perhaps not this exact script, but close enough to make you pause. Still confident your creative role is untouchable? Think again. As AI continues to reshape the marketing landscape, professionals must adapt to stay relevant. The key lies in doubling down on skills that remain distinctly human, crafting a unique brand voice, and mastering the art of storytelling. These are the creative edges where AI still falls short, offering opportunities to deliver authentic, emotionally resonant content that machines can't replicate. By honing these abilities, you can secure your place in an increasingly automated world. Artificial intelligence is transforming the legal profession at an unprecedented pace. Tools like Harvey AI, trained on vast legal databases, now draft contracts, analyze case law, and conduct discovery in mere minutes, tasks that once took weeks. Behind closed doors, law firms are streamlining operations, with research departments facing significant reductions as automation takes hold. To thrive in this shifting landscape, legal professionals must adapt swiftly. Upskilling in areas such as AI ethics, legal compliance, or AI policy development offers a path forward. These emerging fields demand human judgment and strategic insight, qualities that remain beyond AI's reach. By embracing these opportunities, you can position yourself as a leader in the evolving intersection of law and technology. AI-powered tutors, such as Conmigo from Khan Academy and Duolingo Max, are surpassing human instructors in both student engagement and measurable outcomes. It's a new reality. Today's learners often feel more comfortable interacting with AI than with traditional educators, drawn to its personalized, on-demand approach. This shift challenges the role of human tutors, but it also opens doors. Professionals can pivot to designing dynamic curricula for AI platforms, shaping how these systems teach. Alternatively, focusing on coaching soft skills like empathy, collaboration, and critical thinking offers a niche where human expertise still outshines machines. By embracing these paths, you can remain indispensable in an AI-driven educational landscape. Why opt for a traditional financial advisor's 1% fee when AI-driven robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment offer automated investing with unmatched precision? Operating 24/7, these platforms leverage vast datasets to optimize portfolios, delivering results that prioritize efficiency over personality. Today's clients value clear, data-backed strategies far more than charm or intuition. As AI reshapes wealth management, professionals must adapt to remain relevant. Transitioning to AI-assisted wealth planning allows advisors to harness technology while adding human insight. Alternatively, developing personalized financial tools tailored to niche markets, such as cryptocurrency or ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, can set you apart. By embracing these forward-thinking roles, you can secure a vital place in the future of finance. Here's an unexpected shift. Artificial intelligence isn't just transforming entry-level roles, it's reshaping management itself. Advanced tools like PeopleGPT, ClickUp Brain, and Humata are stepping in to analyze employee performance, assign tasks with precision, and even conduct performance reviews. As these systems streamline operations, middle management positions are quietly disappearing from organizational charts. This evolution challenges traditional leadership roles, but also creates new opportunities. To stay ahead, professionals should aim to become AI-integrated leaders, blending human insight with technological efficiency. Alternatively, specializing in change management offers a vital role, guiding organizations to harmonize human talent with AI capabilities. By embracing these paths, you can lead the charge in a workplace where collaboration between humans and machines defines success. The world of software development is undergoing a seismic shift. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter are not only writing code, but also debugging and deploying fully functional applications with astonishing speed. As Elon Musk recently noted, code will eventually be written by prompts, not people, signaling a future where AI takes the lead in programming. This transformation is reshaping the developer's role, but it also opens new avenues. To remain competitive, professionals should master AI-driven development workflows, leveraging these tools to enhance productivity. Specializing in AI safety, ensuring systems are secure and ethical, offers another critical path. Alternatively, creating no-code or low-code solutions empowers non-technical users and taps into a growing market. By embracing these forward-thinking strategies, you can thrive in a coding landscape increasingly dominated by AI. It might seem surprising, but the consulting industry is being transformed by artificial intelligence. Leading firms like McKinsey, Bain, and BCG are now leveraging AI decision engines to redefine strategic planning. By feeding these systems real-world data, market trends, consumer behavior, and more, they generate comprehensive strategy blueprints in moments. AI isn't just handling routine tasks, it's actively shaping high-level thinking. This shift challenges traditional consulting roles while opening bold new possibilities. To stay ahead, professionals should harness AI to develop proprietary tools or innovative consulting frameworks tailored to specific industries. The future favors AI-empowered entrepreneurs who blend technology with strategic vision, not those relying on conventional advisory models. By seizing this opportunity, you can lead the charge in a rapidly evolving field. Let's get one thing straight. This video isn't here to scare you. It's here to wake you up. This isn't the end of opportunity. It's the beginning for those willing to adapt. By 2030, the winners won't be the ones with the most degrees. They'll be the ones who know how to work with AI, not fight against it. You've got two choices. Ignore what's coming and hope you're not left behind, or lean in, level up, and put yourself on the right side of the AI revolution. At Rev AI, we don't chase trends, we break them down. We equip you with the strategies, tools, and mindset to not just survive, but scale in the new economy. So if you're ready to turn disruption into domination, subscribe now. The future's not waiting. Why should you?